Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about AAEON UP Squared Pro 7000H, world's first fanless mini PC. So friends, AAEON's UP Squared Pro 7000H is first mini PC to harness the power of Intel Core i3 processor N series, Atom processor X series and Intel processor N series processor in a fanless chassis. And this mini PC to utilize the processor platform, and it provides developers with the same performance boost as its board counterpart, but it's with more convenient route to market. And friend, a multi-purpose design, its heatsink contain a removable section for users access the PC's expansion slots, and this makes the installation of 5G, Wi-Fi 6 and AI expansion modules much more efficient and convenient. And in keeping with the UP system range previous inertia, the device rear IO also houses a 40-pin GPIO for further expansion. And friend, it presents improvement across its external IO with both LAN ports supporting 2.5 GBE compared to only one in the case of its processor. Furthermore, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port joins two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports, while two COM ports supporting RS-232, 422, 485 have been added across all SKUs, a feature which until now had been limited to one COM port available only on SKU powered by Intel Atom CPU. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.